war is coming to a close. I've escaped death so many times that I fear it will take me before I'm free. So I've decided to write, to recount what I have lived through. Because maybe I won't make it. Or maybe, once all this is over, I'll choose to simply forget.
Das Beste am letzten Heimaturlaub.
Ready, kid?
Das war Weihnachten. Ich habe Weihnachten Heimaturlaub.
Sure am,
Und meine
Sarge.
Oma, wir waren zu Hause. Oma hat eine
Stay
Gans
tight.
gekriegt, so wie früher.
Let's do this.
Echte Gans. Wir haben Gänsebraten gehabt. Rotkohl, Kartoffeln, alles was dazu gehört. Wein. Großvater hat noch Bier dabei. Das war das beste Weihnachten, das ich je hatte. War vielleicht auch das Beste. Sieht doch nicht
Take a shot! They're reloading!
Sicher die Stellung!
They're everywhere! He's reloading! Take him down! Take a shot! They're reloading!
Gotta push on through and take down that outpost. Let's move!
Keep on moving! Come on! You might need that!
I'm on it!
Roger that.